Hi and welcome to CryptoGram Profits. My name is Demetris Papadopoulos and I'm going to be your coach and mentor in this course in teaching you not to trade meme coins or crypto, but to actually be an affiliate for crypto offers that will be paying you 30% and up on every trade that other users that you're going to be targeting, and they're going to be converting for the offer they're going to find inside CryptoGram Profits through a system that will get you and generate you leads on a daily basis with only a few dollars spending on each ad. We're talking about even a minimum of $1 on each ad that you're going to be placing in this platform that I discovered because I was doing meme coin trading and I was able to use tools online that are helping me trade, and I've been using them for a few years now. And then I realized that there's a lot of other users using these tools, and there's a platform where there's thousands of users using these tools where I was part of. And then I discovered that these people are using them on a daily basis, spending a lot of money on crypto trading, where you can make and earn a passive income by just promoting offers that have to do with crypto. But it's not only limited to crypto. This system is also available for other niches. And there's a big platform with a lot of users that are on there that are spending, because we're targeting buyers, people that are actually spending money to use these tools. This is an unbelievable system that I discovered just by using another method that I was trading into wanting to become an affiliate for the crypto space and for other niches. Once again, it's not limited to just crypto. Anybody can do this. And with a little money spent, you can make your ROI in the next few days, weeks, years from now. We're talking about crypto affiliate marketing is a huge, huge industry where you can make a lot of money from other people trading today. And as we know it, crypto and meme coins and all these is pretty trending right now. This is the perfect time to get in. And this ad platform that I'm going to be sharing inside is something that nobody's teaching you, and nobody knows the power of this because there are millions of users on there. Even some of you are users already on there. Please scroll down this sales page. Check out the results that I've been getting from the conversions of these leads coming in. You don't need to build a website. You don't need to build an opt-in funnel. You don't need an autoresponder. You don't even have to deal with these users coming in on a daily basis. We're talking about once you set your ad up, which takes about under a minute, all you have to do is just set it and leave it and watch them convert, and you'll be able to track them through the ad platform itself that gives you everything that you need without having to use any third-party tools. This is for the total newbie. This is for the advanced user. This is something that Facebook, Google, or Microsoft ads wouldn't allow you to do from what I'm showing you inside. And I'm really excited about this because you're going to be spending so little, pennies to the click, for the conversions. We're talking about you can see all the results in this page and from the system that I have in place. So don't hesitate. If you know me and the products that I'm offering you and I'm teaching you, you know that they're all based on my personal results. And now I have beta users using it and they're getting the same types of results as well. Now you can be one of them getting these leads on a daily basis. We're talking about referrals to your offers, and I have done for you offers inside that are ready to go with done for you ad swipes ready for you to go with your first try at this. I'm very confident you're going to be able to see your first conversions once you get approved and it starts running. You have 30 days to try out my system. If you don't like it, you can ask for your money back, guaranteed. I'm here to help you. I'm the one that's teaching you this. I'm the one that's going to be answering your emails if you have any issues. Other than that, I am fully confident you're going to enjoy and you'll see the value of what I put inside CryptoGram Profits. This is your turn right now to get a method to generate you from clicks to leads to commissions that will last a lifetime. We're talking about these people that are going to be signing up under your links are going to be paying and trading, and you're going to be generating money from the fees of each trade they make. This is huge. I hope I'll see you inside, and I hope you enjoy my course. Thank you, and I'll talk to you inside.